In working with Corinthian Fine Homes, we were able to create a timeless design, but then we also made some more custom tweaks that made the space feel very me. Our old kitchen was a closed-off kitchen with a very little dining room, and we had pretty much every meal at our kitchen island bar. For us, getting a breakfast room was so key. We had a 3-season room that was sort of a breakfast room, but it was not heated or cooled. I mean, we eat most of our meals at the breakfast room, so we have a lot more family breakfast, lunch, dinner all together. During the design phase, I had a pretty clear idea of the finishes and that sort of thing, but I tend to have expensive taste. And I think Christina was so helpful in helping to rein that in a bit and to say this is what's gonna be in your price point. We started with a lot of gray and white kind of classic design, and then together kind of tweaked a couple of things to spice it up a bit so that it could still be my taste and a little glitzy without being over the top. And then having a bigger dining room that's open has allowed us to have our family over, and we can seat 18 people, which is the exact number of my husband's family combined with my family. So we planned it that way, and we've had birthday celebrations, just small family gatherings, and it's been way easier to socialize here. One of the things to me that stood out with Corinthian Fine Homes is just their excellent communication. In the construction industry, in the design industry, that's just not something that you find. To be able to set a timeline and stick to it, I think is extremely impressive.